The other thing that you notice is we have these really nice large electrodes. Well, throughout time, after a while, if you take a look right through here, you'll see that they fit into the actual case itself. You may need to clean these occasionally. You know, let's say that you're working with this device and suddenly you're not getting any signals. It could be that the batteries are dead. That's the most likely thing that's occurring, or they're so low they're not working and they need to be changed. And or possibly these have gotten dirty and you're not getting a good contact. So maybe we'll just take those off, clean them with like a silver polish, something like that, so they'll have a good contact again. Well, how do we do that? The first step would be, right, just to hold the button to turn it on or off. It turns it off. Turn it over. Open the case. Remove the batteries. And what you can do is just take and grasp the electrode, and you'll notice it comes right out. So this is how you can clean these. In fact, you can clean the entire device. These are, of course, solid silver, so you want to be careful. You're not going to bend them. Just treat them gently, but you can clean them very easily. Put them back in the starting holes, and they just snap in. So you can take all three out like that. While we're talking about the electrode, this, we'll just say for purposes of discussion, this is the positive, and this would be negative. So you have an opposite sense of electrodes, and to conduct the current, it goes between these devices. That means if you put your finger here, you get all of the action because you're able to conduct the electricity. You don't have to have the entire device, just two of them or a portion of it. So that's something else to keep in mind when you're actually using these devices. We're going to put the batteries back in now. And again, they just snap in rather easily. Use high quality batteries, because if you don't, you know, you can get batteries that explode or they leak, and that's going to affect the electronics, and you don't want that because this is a, you know, an advanced unit, and it costs a lot to repair something that's been totally corroded, obviously, by battery acid. So we're just going to lock that in. Turn the device over. You notice we didn't touch the screen, so we're not going to have any danger of cracking it. And when we touch it, the power comes on, and we'll be up and running.